Aggressive. I have $100 in the machine. Let's see how far we can get with this. The 2, 5, 7, 50. One more. Yeah. Why couldn't you be on a 750 bet? You already know. Laugh. Punishment. Ew. Come on. Really? Oh. I'll do 3 back spin. Hopefully this one's better. Not the worst. Come on, camels. Nice. Camels. Do it. Oh, man. My 100 camels at? Probably saving the best for last, hopefully. Oh, nope. 47 bucks? Not bad. One more spin. Alright. Let's continue. You could give me the Taj Mahal bonus on a 750 bet. Let's go. Do it. Come on. What's up with the 250 bet? Thank you. Come on. Oh. One more. That's a good one on 250 bet. Alright, hey guys, we're doing a magic pearl today. It's kind of tough, but here's progressives. I have free play. $5 in machine. Let's start off with a 10-cent denom. Try to do 250 bets. Wish me luck. Let me get comfortable. Sorry, comfortable. Okay. Whew. Alright, now I'm comfy. Volume's really low. Hopefully we can get that minor ball or major or grand. So I'm not gonna forget, he's not Willie, he's Flipper. We need 3 flippers and 6 or more pearls. Alright, let's try 5 cents now. This might be a quick game if I don't get nothing. Oh, nice. Okay. 250, right? Yep. Hey, at least we got a bonus in the free play. Hopefully it doesn't suck. Pearl. Okay, lined up. Pearl. Takes a long time this Pearl, come on. Come on. Aww. And it with a bang. Hey, not bad. Just do back and spin. Alright, let's continue. Let's try 2 cents now. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. Oh, man. Oh. We'll just do one more round in here. Okay. To a penny denom, let's do... Let's go across. Come on. Okay, $3. Come on, come on, one more? Oh my gosh. I just needed one more for that minor ball. Boo. Come on. Oh. She likes hurting my feelings. I don't like that. Alright, I need got one more spin available, so let's do a 251. Do it. Sure. Alright, so this is what I got with my free play. I'll just go down to 50, I guess. Alright, one more spin. Let's do one more. 50-cent one. Another 50-cent one. Alright, cash out. Thank you. Even though you teased me this whole session. Bets today. Playing slow. Let's get the major or the grand. Minimum bet. I see they turn up the volume for these machines. That would have been nice if it was all autumn. Do it. Got all those fireballs in one bonus. 6, 8, 10. I had 10 fireballs fall down at once. Backup spins. Alright. Trigger.
Chanda. Чуси.
I was gonna say maybe I should have stuck to autumn. Oh, let's go. Okay. We definitely ended it with a bang. Okay.